Right, the next bit I'm going to make is the perch bracket. All this part does, it takes the front forks for the axle, goes up through there. This is fitted on the underside of the smoke box. This piece here, I've got to turn that up and make a bronze bush to go up through. And then there's two of these parts, top and bottom, look. That makes like the front toe hitch. There's the bronze bush I got to make, which goes through there. Right, these are the two parts for the front toe hook hitch. I drill these and then I'll cut those out with a jigsaw, file them up. That's pretty good. The other two parts, there's the small part inside, the top part. And this is the outside part mixed, marked out. This piece here will be the part that fits onto the smoke box there and there. Right, that's all these little parts drilled. These I've got to cut out now with a jigsaw, file them up. These will have to be cut off of here and then bent. Right, that's roughly where it goes. Obviously I've got to drill some holes there, fix it onto the smoke box, rivet all this lot up, and then I've got to make that inside top part, which is that bit there. Right, here we've got all the bits made. I've attached the lower part of the toe hitch to the perch bracket, and I've attached the upper part of the toe hitch to the top part of the bracket, and they go together like this. I'll just set it up. And also I have this little spacer here which goes on some rivets there. Then that one will go on top of there and sandwich through. And then you've got a gap for a pin to go through that hole there. So I'll just rivet these two parts together. And then I've got to drill through and rivet these parts here through both sides. So here we've got the perch bracket all riveted up, ready to get jigged up on the smoke box. Let's do that. Right, so I've actually drilled the holes for the rivets through the smoke box for the perch bracket. That's starting to look quite good. Definitely looks like the front of a traction engine